If you are writing GATE Chemical 2025 exam, then this video is for you, because a lot of students have doubt, sir, you have taught engineering mathematics course which is common to all branch. So how will I know which chapters I have to study, which chapters I have to leave? Moreover, which topics I should leave as per my official chemical syllabus. So in today's video, everything will be discussed in detail. Don't worry, every problem will be solved. Just watch till the end. First of all, on the Shrenik Jain Study Simplified app, you will get two courses. One course is in Hindi, other is in English. Content remains same. The difference is about the speaking style. In English, everything would be taught in English. The slides are in English. But in Hindi, slides are in English. पर मैं बातें करूँगा हिंदी में, सिखाऊंगा आपको हिंदी में, जैसे अभी आपसे बातें कर रहा हूँ. Okay. And in total 8 chapters I have covered, because it's common to all, right? So linear algebra, calculus, probability, differential equation, vector calculus, complex variable, numerical method and transform theory. This 8 chapters I have taught. Now talking about your syllabus, IIT Roorkee has announced the official syllabus for 2025. So this is your chemical branch syllabus. First of all, you might see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chapters. So you may be thinking, oh, just 6 chapters out of 8. No, that's not true. Why? Let us see step by step. First point is about linear algebra. You might see in linear algebra only 3 topics are there: matrix algebra, system of linear equation, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. But that is not true. All the 10 lectures you have to study. Now you may argue, but sir, this determinant, inverse of matrix, these are not there in our syllabus. These are used indirectly in eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Hence, you should know the concepts of determinant and inverse of the matrix. Similarly, rank of the matrix is not mentioned in your syllabus, but it is used to solve the solution of system questions. So you have to study them. Similarly, miscellaneous concepts also you have to study, because sometimes the GATE examiner asks those questions which are out of the miscellaneous syllabus or maybe out of the syllabus. You may argue sometime. Okay. So those concepts are also there in your syllabus. You have to study. Talking about the next chapter, so the next chapter we have is calculus. Everything you have to study in calculus. No topics can be missed from my course. You may argue, sir, but we do not have double and triple integration. See, only definite and improper integral, but we do not have double triple. But double triple integrations are there here. Double triple integrations are needed to solve this normal distribution and this random variable question. So indirectly you have to study. So when I say you have to study, you have to study. Okay. So calculus complete folder you have to study. And you may be thinking, in your calculus folder, we do not have this gradient, divergence, all these things, because this is not calculus. This is vector calculus. This is another chapter. So this is another chapter, and vector calculus folder is present here. So you have to study everything from vector calculus also. So up till now, 3 chapters we have seen: linear algebra, calculus and vector calculus. Everything you have to study, nothing is omit. But now comes the fun part. See, differential equation, everything you have to study, but then Laplace transform is a part of transform theory chapter. So this is another chapter. Okay, so let me make it clear. Differential equation also you have to study everything, but now Laplace transform is present in the transform theory. So if you click that, you will see 2 things: Laplace transform and Fourier series. Make a note that Fourier series is not there in your syllabus, so it can be omitted. Fourier series can be omitted, but Laplace transform you have to study completely. So up till now only one concession you got, that is from transform theory we can omit the Fourier series. That is the concession. Now comes another concession. Your next chapter is complex variable. Basics of complex variable you have to study. You do not have to study the advanced concept. So in the complex variable, those lectures from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all this you can skip. Only chapters you have to study is only topics you have to study is 1 and 2. That's all. You should not go further. I hope this part is also pretty much clear, that derivatives and integrations in complex variable is not there as per your syllabus. So that is the concession, very important point. And then comes the next chapter, probability and statistics. Everything you have to study except the hypothesis testing. So in my folder, there are 15 lectures. In that 15 lectures, you do not have to study everything. What you can skip is, you can skip this 15th lecture, only one lecture you can skip. Otherwise up till 14 lectures you have to study everything. Okay, everything you have to study. See, statistics is there, this correlation regression is there, probability distribution is there, random variable, basics of probability, conditional probability. So you have to study everything. Okay, then comes the 8th chapter, numerical method, complete folder you have to study. So let me give you a conclusion. What I should leave, topics you can leave is Fourier series, derivatives and integration in complex variable, and hypothesis testing. 3 topics you can leave. Which chapter I should leave? No chapter you can leave. Every chapter has some or other topics to study, right? So only topics you can leave, that too only 3 topics: hypothesis, derivatives, integration in complex variable, and Fourier series. That's all. Otherwise you have to study all the folders. Okay, no chapters can be missed. I hope this part is clear as per your chemical branch, and yes, that's it for today.